Welcome to this video. In this video we are going to learn about predefined functions. Create a new table and create a column with data type int. Clear console. Count function returns number of rows in a table. From order detail, execute the query, 4 rows, 1 2 3 4. Second function is select average, column name price. You can calculate average from order detail table, execute the query, average is 462. You can calculate sum. Just change the function name. Sum is 1850. You can also select maximum large value from a column by using max function. 532 is the largest value. 532. You can also select minimum value by using min function. 421 is the minimum value. So these are the main functions. So thank you for watching this video.